Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to publish and edit captions in Canvas Studio, a key step in making your course videos more accessible and inclusive for all learners. From your Canvas course menu, click on Studio. Locate the video you want to caption and click on it to open the video player. Click on the Captions tab below the video. In most cases, Studio will automatically generate captions for your video, which may take a few minutes depending on video length. Canvas Studio also supports manual transcript uploads. If no captions have been added, click Request and select the language to start the process. Once the captions are complete, return to Studio and select the video to open. Click on the three-dot menu to select Review and Publish to open the Captions editor. Here you can review the transcript line by line to correct any errors in spelling, punctuation, or timing. Be sure to check technical terms, names, and acronyms, as auto captions may struggle with these. Use the play button to preview the changes as you make them. When finished, click the green Publish button to make the captions visible to viewers. Your captions are now live and will display automatically when students watch the video. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to publish and edit captions in Canvas Studio. We hope it helps make your content more accessible for all students. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the links below.